Good morning. I hope you're all doing well and you're all safe and healthy at home. I just wanted to check in regarding our new weekly outline for the rest of the semester. Um, I'll be posting the link to this YouTube video in Moodle and also sending it as an announcement through Moodle, so you should be receiving that in your inbox. But I just wanted to talk about a couple of problems that have been coming up. Several of you have completely full inboxes for your email, so we're getting these emails bumped back to us when we try to contact our students. So if you're not hearing from us, that's possibly why. So please make sure you have enough space in your inbox for emails from your professors to come to you. The second thing is that some of you are quite uncomfortable with the whole format of being an online student, and I understand it's a big adjustment to make, but I need to emphasize that you as the student need to keep on top of your calendar, your weekly plan of what's going to happen. This document is up on Moodle and it lists when things are due. So the summary is due on April 10th. Then you have your grammar test April 17th and the final research paper April 21st. Reflective Writing Book 10% April 24th. So if you're emailing me asking when the final due dates are, that tells me that you haven't accessed the material on Moodle yet. It's really important that you read what's been posted, and if there's a video or audio clip posted, it's important that you listen or watch to that as well, because the information is there for you, but if you're not going to read it, then this online class situation won't go very well, okay? So this is the plan. Now, in terms of the writing reflections, today I'm going to post 2 YouTube video links for the reflective writing portions for this week. So it's not due this week, but you can start working on it. And then for the following few weeks, you'll see 2 links posted each week for video clips or newspaper articles for you to take a look at and then reflect on. So again, that won't be due until April 24th. You can take your time working on that for now if you wish, or you can rush to work ahead, however you want to do it. In terms of document submission, what I'm doing is allowing students to upload several files when they're handing something in. So when you go to hand in your summary, for example, if you have several pages or if you need to take a photo of something like a scanner sort of thing, you can do that. For those of you who had an extension granted or who had other circumstances and had one-on-one conversations with me about handing in a very late process essay or something like that, some other arrangements. Nothing needs to be handed in until April 10th, and when you are ready to hand something in for the other arrangements that you and I had discussed individually, then just drop everything in the Dropbox for the April 10th day. Okay, so nothing needs to be handed in this week or next week. I'm trying to give students as much time as possible to adjust to being online students before things are due, if that makes sense. So this is for your benefit, and we're just trying to ease through this together. A lot of the students, especially those of you that have kids at home, are finding it really hard to manage your time. So expecting you to be available online at a very particular time would probably work against you. So what I'll do starting next week is just have links posted on Moodle. So when you are going into the course, you'll be able to just find a little link here or there for a Zoom meeting. So during our regularly scheduled class, you can just click on that, pop into a Zoom meeting and chat with me. And that's if you have questions. If you're comfortable working independently, then you don't need to check in, okay? So you can see here the summary assignment Dropbox is here. You don't need to submit it yet. I haven't even posted all of the details yet of how to do that assignment, so please don't rush to get it done yet. Here, if you are taking a look, now some of this is hidden, but the grammar test we've got on April 17th, if you're wanting to work ahead and do more review for the grammar, then here are a couple of options for you. So I appreciate your enthusiasm, but just take it week by week for now, okay? Just until all of the content is up. And also please ensure that you're reading everything that is posted before emailing me. Again, I want to help you, but if you're not doing the bare minimum of signing on to Moodle and reading what's posted, then this online class won't work, okay? So I've typed up a default message here. The information you're looking for is available on Moodle. Please read through the content and watch the videos posted online before asking questions. I'm happy to help, but please be aware that your faculty can see how often and when students log on to Moodle. We've created and organized the materials for you online in a format that is manageable for online courses. So if I'm getting more questions emailed to me about where is this, when is this due, I am simply going to copy and paste this message and direct you to take a look at what is on Moodle. If there is not information posted yet for a particular assignment or something like that, it's because it's not time to talk about it yet. All right, we have 5 weeks to effectively get through 2 projects. That's it. So we're working on the summary, and then we're working on a research report. And we have more than enough time to get through this, I promise. So this week, all I'm asking you to do is focus on your parallelism unit for grammar. Take a look at the APA format video. I've already posted that one for next week. You will shortly see the written instructions for the assignment. Again, I ask you to please read that document before asking me questions about it, because chances are the answers to your question have already been written and posted on Moodle. All right. Aside from that, if you have individual questions for me, send me an email or schedule something with me through Zoom. I can meet with you quite flexibly, being that we're all working at home, and that's about it. So if you're having a tough time contacting me, try the direct message feature through Moodle. You can send messages through Moodle, that's fine. Emailing, again, I'm trying to get in contact with several of you, but I'm getting the messages bouncing back. So please make sure that you have room in your inbox, and please make sure that you're logging on to Moodle into our course at least once a week. All right. While I'm not expecting you to be on during our regular school time necessarily, you don't need to. Please make sure you're logging on at least once a week, and you'll be able to work through the material at your own pace. Aside from that, okay? I hope you're all doing well, and please let me know if you have any questions after reading through what's already posted online. Take care.